You're watching Justice Lens. Today, we examine a tense roadside encounter and the subsequent arrest of a female suspect. Watch as officers address an outstanding warrant and specific allegations made during the stop. We've enhanced the audio and visuals to provide a factual look at this incident. The following sequence presents the raw encounter as it unfolded. Watch closely.
Hi there. Do me a favor, go ahead and step on out for me.
Why?
Step on out for me.
What did I do?
Step on out. Okay, turn around.
What did I do though?
Turn around. Look like somebody, you have a warrant.
I have a warrant for what?
Maybe.
Are you serious?
Yeah, do you have anything on you?
No. Why do I have a warrant?
Okay, hold on.
I don't have a warrant for what?
Hold on. You have anything that's gonna poke me, stab me, anything like that? What's your name?
Miranda.
Miranda? How do you know him?
It's a friend of mine. I've known him for like a month.
A month? Okay.
What do I have a warrant for? What the fuck?
Hold on.
Can you tell me?
Say what?
What I have a warrant for?
Where's your thing?
I don't have no ID. My name's Miranda 94.
Huh? Hold on a second.
No, please don't tell me I have a warrant for what? What did I do?
No, we're gonna run your dirt.
Yeah. For what?
Do you have the...
All right.
Hold
What
on.
am I going to do?
Hold on.
Just wait. It's okay, alright? Just calm down.
What am I going to jail for though? Can you tell me?
Yeah, we'll...
Tell me.
Found it with 4 times.
What?
Put her in the car. Oh, are we doing the search here or no?
Why though? She
Come on.
What do you think?
Stop playing games.
I don't know.
Stop playing games.
What did I do?
You're going for prostitution, alright?
What? No.
Yes.
Oh my god.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Miranda. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about? I'll be honest with you, and I can take care of it. All right. You have nothing on me. I just searched the backseat of my car, but find anything in stores.
Are you fucking serious?
100%.
Oh.
Get it. Go ahead. I'm just gonna take this off, alright?
May I have a cigarette before I go? Please.
We'll get you one and you get to talk to somebody, alright? Let's go.
Can you reach?
That's hers too.
Or then what?
Just this.
You want the out of here? So let's get the car out. You good? All right. Be good. You call this out? No. Ask them if they made a call.
Hey Justin, we're gonna make the call and everything. We're that correct?
Just put it out on the radio.
Channel 2 or teletype? Ask channel 2 or teletype.
Alright, we'll go on channel 2 and do that.
It was $60 for head and sex.
Channel 2, right?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Reader alerts. Remember 45 traffic stop.
Fucking serious. Can I ask you guys a question?
Hold on.
Please. Question, please.
And 3 November 45 Central. We'll have an adult female in custody. Can we get a case number and copy of female transport?
Case number 7370-7370. And you need transport or you're transporting her?
We're doing the transport from the 100 block of Main Street to Mason Drive. And my starting mileage is 771.
It's $200 Fairview.
Fairview. My apologies. The 200 block of Fairview.
Can't be happening right now.
That's your location you're going to?
That was my starting point. My end point is Basin in Beach.
It's been a while for you, huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to do. I don't know if they wanted to be this. You know, they don't want. I don't know if they want it on the radio or not.
We've always done it on the radio.
I've never done it on the radio. We've always done it on the computer. Miranda, do you know your rights?
Listen, no. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand the rights I just read to you?
Do you understand that? Did you say yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's good. How old are you? You're born in 94? What school did you go to? How long you been in Daytona? Say what? 3 years?
How do you I want to get your name first. What's your first name? Miranda, what's your last? And what's your date of birth? 1294? 3 November 46.
Can I ask you my question now?
Did you put it under yours?
Yeah. Is that you?
Can you show me how with 3 November 45? And then can you copy a name and date of birth out of Florida? First name is Miranda. Mike, India, Romeo, Alpha, November, Delta, Alpha, on a white female.
Miranda, have you ever been charged with prostitution before?
Never.
Let me,
The CH would goes to...
CH needs to go to November 23. Yeah, 23.
Hey Justin, you got your computer up? I'll send her the CH to you.
How does it work?
3 November 46.
Well, we're gonna go, so what's gonna happen now is we're gonna go...
I'm so hot.
Can you
I know.
on a CH?
We're almost to where we need to go.
Just hold on a sec. And can you send it to 3 November 23's screen, please? Appreciate it.
What? Yeah, they're gonna let you smoke a cigarette. So you're gonna go talk to some people, and
3 November 23.
they're gonna talk to you and ask you some questions. So just be honest with them, and you know, we can figure this out. Okay? Probably.
I'm just looking at my daughter at 4:30.
Where at?
Please, my baby, I can't.
How long have you been battling addiction?
Why don't you go home?
Base.
Oh, yeah, that's
3 years? What's your drug of choice? Miranda?
No.
Heroin?
Possible one walking down the street where I live.
Well, unfortunately, you made a deal with someone that we know, and it's how it works. Yeah. Do you have any cigarettes in your purse? Well, we'll see if we can find something. Go, Mary. Them over here.
Hey, Mary.
Miranda.
Are there any needles in your bag? Any dope or anything like that?
Come on, step on it.
I don't want to see it.
Does this rock mean something to you?
This is my daughter.
Turn and face her real quick. She's gonna.
Here's these people that are about to come talk to you.
Miranda.
All right, Miranda, you got anything on you I need to know about? I mean, right down to a light.
Let's be honest.
Sucked in your bra. I don't want to go. Nothing. No money, no nothing up here.
Just got 10 cents. Zeros, what was
Why are
it?
you all wet?
What is it? The case number.
Oh, I didn't pull one. Hold on.
Yeah, we did. She said it. Hey, do you remember the case number?
Lean on. Just lean on it. Walk your feet back to me. Go.
Got what cause?
Is your camera still on?
Yeah. For the transport, I don't know.
What's
What are
today?
you? Well, you wearing a bathing suit or is there some? What is that right there? Why you told? No. Stop. Just tell him. You
Dope.
period or something?
No, it's no dope, I promise.
That's toilet paper.
I gotta pull it out.
Look it over.
Hey. 737.
Nothing else? Yeah. Smells like that for me.
I'm tired. So.
What's
Stand up. Drop the paper on the ground. Just drop it on the ground. Step on it.
Bob?
Yeah.
Already. Talk to me. Show it to me. Whoa.
I thought that bitch flying. No, fuck you. Get that over there.
Where the guy that did bone? My dog.
What's the time? In the front seat of Johnny's car.
Get soul paper, go down there too.
What time is it now?
Time is it?
Put it right there.
Huh? 1:13.
Oh, it can't be in the back.
Oh, you. Why would you do that?
Hey. Was it Miranda what?
Alright, I'm done. Hey, just get a.
I got back on the radio. We're headed back out. And so, head down to the south end.
From Basin to Valor. And like I said, adult female and 773 starting monitor.
Puppy.
So was it 7 now?
Don't be sorry to us. Like I said, people make mistakes. It's not too late to turn them around, alright? How old's your daughter? 19 months?
Secretary Alpha 53, copy a shoplifting.
The lights?
Dollar General 2745 north of Lansing.
Yeah,
5 minutes.
I'm sorry.
Suspect left in
See ya.
a red Ford Ranger, 465 Alpha Lima Romeo. None back, so about $300 worth of cleaning product. Ongoing issues. Back clean back with Douglas, shy out as East Smyrna. On a red Ford.
MI2 Central for me on my phone. What was the DOT?
What's it?
No,
See that?
Halifax. Joe.
The sports car?
Yeah,
It's a Lotus.
was that what that was?
Yeah, boy.
Why are we taking her to Valor?
So they could talk to her.
You guys are the big.
The van.
The van, yeah. It's where we're going. Yeah, before you get to the jail, they'll let you call.
Yeah.
Who do you want to call? I think so. Yeah, I think with the bonds. I'm not sure about that. Maybe. We usually don't do anything with the bonds because it's already, preset. We don't have anything to do with it when it gets to the jail.
The judge ends up
It's all the judge.